So today we're going to be learning how to make Texas Jalapeno Poppers. So what you need is jalapenos. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you're going to cut them in half like that. Scrape out the seeds. And then personally, I let them soak in a little bit of cold water so it's not that spicy. So I'm going to go ahead and do all these for you real quick. Alright, so I got my jalapeno right here. Cut the ugly little stem off. Oh, that one's just falling off. Alright. And then you're going to just cut it down the middle, like so. Be very careful. This knife is sharp. Excuse my cat. So it looks like something like that. And then pop it in your water, because these smell really spicy. Alright, we're going to preheat the oven to 425.
So we're cutting up our jalapeno peppers. Let that preheat.
Alright, now usually I put my cream cheese in here. If it's just straight out the fridge, you might have to soften it for 30 seconds, just so that way it's a little bit easier to manage, which is what I'm going to do. 30 seconds in the microwave. While that's softening, I'm going to chop up some cilantro because I think it adds an extra flavor to it. Doesn't need to be all perfect, and I had already used the cilantro, so it's just like the rest of the leaves that I didn't use from before. If you don't have cilantro, don't use cilantro. Some people put shrimp in there. Try shrimp in there. You know what I mean? Doesn't need to be perfect. Good enough. Nice and soft, nice and soft. Will you give me paper towels so I can dry my peppers?
Mix all this up. So it's nice and delicious.
Alright, get your sheet, get your bacon, and get your jalapenos. Make sure you spray your bacon sheet down. That way your bacon doesn't stick. I'm going to use this olive oil. I don't know why I added sound effects. It has its own sound effects. So I've just been stewing. I'm going to take a couple of these out. Dry them on some paper towels. Five's good to start with. We're going to dry them. feel like there's a better way to do this, but this is how I struggle through life, you know, just trying to open some bacon. Got the Kroger brand thick cut. I feel like it doesn't really matter what brand of bacon as long as you get the thick cut. Thick cut's the good stuff. Take your pepper, take your stuffing. You're just gonna pretty much jam pack that sucker in like that. Take your bacon, just the one slice. I always overlap the ends like this. Like if you start here, wrap them one time, right there, boom, and then work your way up. That's how you wrap a little Texas pepper. So I originally I split open 8 peppers, and I have 2 halves left over, which means 1 packet of cream cheese with cilantro and 1 packet of bacon will make exactly 7 peppers. All right, this is what our pepper sheet looks like. Got our oven at 425. Stick our peppers straight in there. Gonna do leave for about 25 minutes. You gotta do a little happy dance when this stuff comes off. All right, opening up the oven. I'm cooking Texas Jalapeno Poppers. Oh my gosh, look at how beautiful. Oh, I think my lens is foggy, can't really focus on them. Smell good?
Yeah, I could smell something cooking, but I don't want to. Can I have some?
Yeah. There it is. Isn't she lovely? Isn't she wonderful? Some things. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that one. All the juicy goodness stuffing up at them. Yes. Third wheel in it. Hot shit. Amazing.
That is
John, I'm gonna
legit
need you
now.
to go ahead and bite. It's gonna be hot. Oh, good, good. That's good? Good. See you on my next video. Bye.